Hello everyone. A dam is a structure that prevents or restricts surface water or subsurface streams from flowing. Dams produce reservoirs that not only prevent floods but also provide water for irrigation, human use, and aquaculture, and so on. But there are some dams which are more dangerous than resourceful. These are the top 5 most dangerous dams around the world. Number 1. The Contra Dam. The Contra Dam in Switzerland, also known as the Wazasca Dam, is located in Ticino, Switzerland, and is the first on our list of noteworthy dams. It is undoubtedly one of the most well-known dams because its presence in the 1995 James Bond film Golden Eyes opening scene. Contra Dam is a slender concrete arch dam with a crest length of 1,247 feet and a height of 722 feet. The volume of concrete necessary to create the dam was lowered as a result of dam's slim form, lowering construction cost. The dam's base is 292 feet wide, tapering up to 723 feet wide at its crest. Number 2. Bhakra Nangal Dam. This dam, which is located on the boundary of Punjab and Haryana, is a multi-purpose dam in India that supplies roughly half of Punjab and Haryana's agricultural water. Many people believe that it is a single dam, although this is not the case. These are the two different dams erected at the distance of around 10 kilometers apart but serving the same purpose. The Bhakra Dam is located at the high elevation, but the Nangal Dam is located at the lower elevation. The Nangal Dam will block the flow of water if the Bhakra Dam fails, but if both of these dams fail, it is anticipated that the more over half of Punjab and Haryana will flood into Pakistan. Number 3. The Three Gorges Dam, also known as the world's largest hydropower dam, spans and impounds the Yangtze River in China's Hubei region, stretching for 2.3 kilometers. This hydropower dam produces 87 trillion watt-hours of electricity each year. Its structural profile is 337 feet wide at the base and tapers to 131 feet at the top. The Three Gorges Dam was built not only to generate power but also to boost the Yangtze River's shipping capacity and reduce the risk of floods downstream by providing a huge water storage area. Number 4. The Kerr Dam in USA. The Kerr Dam was built to generate hydroelectricity, but it also functions as a wildlife refuge at forest preservance and a public recreation area. The dam can generate 426 gigawatt hour of power per year by impounding the Flathead River. It is one of two PPL Montana dams west of the Continental Divide at the confluence of the Flathead River and Clark Fork River, which then drains into Columbia River. The Columbia River eventually drains into Pacific Ocean. Number 5. The Tehri Dam. The day is 9 mm here. An earthquake of great magnitude will strike, putting the entire country in jeopardy. As a result, in 1991, a major earthquake struck Utkarshi with estimated magnitude of 8.5. This dam is currently the highest in the country. In such situations, it's natural to wonder if the Tehri Dam would be in jeopardy in the future and what will happen if the dam is breached. When the dam was being built, all the scientists were concerned about what would happen if the dam failed. According to a scientist, it is difficult to picture the devastation that will occur if the dam is breached. So, this was my list of top 5 most dangerous dams around the world. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and if you love this so much, you can comment below and share this with your friends.